People in Kentucky talking Irish to their horses. Being away from Ireland, I really felt this urge to reconnect, this newfound graw for the language. You know, my grandmother was a Gaeilge. She cycled around Ireland working for An Óige. It's a hosteling organisation. I used to call her and she was in a nursing home. Her hearing was really bad. But when I switched to Irish, she could hear me perfectly. And she was, you know, as fluent as ever, which was really, I think, the bones of it. I just felt so connected to home. And I was getting a bit tired of teaching English. I thought, you know, it's good, but I'm teaching the same things every day. And I thought, actually, I was teaching online one-to-ones and the platform asked me if I could teach Irish. And I thought, wow, you know, say yes and learn how to do it. Yeah. I went for it and I realised there's a huge demand worldwide. People in Kentucky talking Irish to their horses, in remote parts of the world, all over the place, every time zone. And they were emotional. They were tearful about learning Irish. And some of them were quite fluent. And they'd have a lesson with me and say, you're the first person I've ever spoken Irish to.